To recover a Phantom wallet, you will need to follow these steps. First, ensure you have the recovery phrase that was generated when you created your wallet. This phrase is crucial for regaining access to your wallet. Next, go to the Phantom website and click on the Recover Wallet option. You will be prompted to enter your recovery phrase, which is typically a series of words. Enter the words in the correct order, as the sequence is vital for successful recovery. After entering the recovery phrase, you will be asked to create a new password for your wallet. Choose a strong and unique password to secure your wallet. It is essential to store this password safely, as you will need it to access your wallet in the future. Once you have created a new password, you will be logged into your Phantom wallet. You can then view your account balance, transaction history, and other details. If you have any existing assets or funds, they should still be accessible in your recovered wallet. It is crucial to keep your recovery phrase and password safe and secure. Never share them with anyone, as this could compromise the security of your wallet. Store them in a safe and secure location, such as a hardware wallet or a secure note-taking app. In addition to recovering your wallet, it is also essential to keep your Phantom wallet up to date. Regularly check for updates and install the latest version to ensure you have the latest security patches and features. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Phantom wallet successfully. Remember to always prioritize security and keep your recovery phrase and password safe. This will help protect your assets and ensure you can access your wallet when needed.